Vic Soto nagsampa na ng kaso laban kay Daryl Yap. Pinagbabayad ito ng nasa 35 million pesos. Nagsampa na nga ng kaso nito lamang Huwebes si Vic Soto sa Muntinlupa Regional Trial Court laban sa direktor na si Daryl Yap. Kasama ni Vic ang kanyang may bahay na si Pauline Luna nang magtungo siya sa Muntinlupa Regional Trial Court. Matatandaang ang pagsasampa ng kasong ito laban sa nasabing direktor ay kaugnay sa pelikula na may kinalaban kay Pepsi Paloma. Si Daryl ay kinasuhan ni Vic ng 19 counts of cyber libel dahil umano sa pelikulang ito na kinabibilangan ng civil claim para sa danyos na hindi bababa sa 35 million pesos laban kay Daryl. Matatandaang naging controversial ang nasabing pelikula nang ilabas ang trailer nito sa social media account ni Daryl Yap kung saan kinaladkad ang pangalan ni Vic. Ayon sa attorney ni Vic Soto na si Attorney De La Cruz, ang naturang trailer ay nagdulot ng hindi maganda sa pamilya ni Vic. Kagaya na lamang ng mga threat kay Pauline Luna at pambumbuli naman sa eskwelahan ang nararanasan ng kanilang anak na si Tali. Samantala, pinanigan naman ng korte ang request ng kampo ni Vic Soto para sa writ of habeas data. Ayon kay Attorney De La Cruz, in the meantime po, the writ was issued. So ibig sabihin po yung hinihiling namin sa writ granted. Ititigil po muna lahat ng mga postings, etc. In the meantime, pinapasagot si Yap doon sa aming reklamo. Samantala, narito naman ang nilalaman ng complaint affidavit ni Bossing Vic Soto. Aniya, the freedom of expression, like all cherished rights, is never absolute. The exercise of a right cannot be allowed to infringe on another person's right. In this case, the respondent is a clout chaser using his social media platforms to garner attention for his film. In his desire to earn money, he openly accused me of being a rapist. It is high time for respondent to realize that free speech does not afford him unbridled license to ruin another person's hard-earned reputation. I am executing this complaint affidavit to charge respondent Daryl Ray Spike B. Yap with 19 counts of cyber libel, consisting of multiple violations of Section 4C4 of Republic Act No. 10175 or the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012 in relation to Articles 353 and 355 of the Revised Penal Code for willfully and deliberately posting several public, malicious, and defamatory statements in respondent Yap's Facebook pages, tending to cause dishonor and damage to my reputation. Due to the malicious and defamatory posts made by respondent, I have been subjected and continue to be subjected to public ridicule and contempt. The social humiliation have caused me to suffer mental anguish and serious anxiety due to my tarnished reputation and destroyed credibility. As such, respondent should be made liable to pay moral damages in the amount of at least 20 million pesos. In this case, respondent must be held liable for exemplary damages in order to prevent others from committing similar offenses. His posts are so reprehensible, for which he must be held liable to pay exemplary damages in the amount of at least 15 million pesos. Mabilis namang sumagot si Daryl Yap nang lumabas ang balitang naghain na nga ng kaso laban sa kanya si Bossing Vic Soto. Aniya sa kanyang social media account, Delia, Pepsi, babalik tayo sa korte. Iba't iba naman ang naging komento ng mga netizens kaugnay sa isyung ito. Ayon sa isa, this is propaganda against the Sotos who are in politics, especially Vico Soto. Big point and with sense of explanation. Soto's siblings was involved way back and a one good friend of Soto was also involved according to the old news. Ayon pa sa isa, walang problema kung isa pelikula mo ang buhay ng namayapana. Marami nang gumawa niyan tulad ng kay Baby Ama, Asyong Salonga, Nardong Putik at marami pang iba. Pero lahat yan ay may basbas at lalo na yung mga masasali na mananame drop mo ay alam ng tao. Buhay pa ang tao na isasali mo sa pelikula mo at may malaking pangalan sa showbiz. Hindi basta-basta nagbabanggit ng pangalan lalo na't hindi napapatunayan ang totoong nangyari.